Hello, my name is May. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Liberty Mutual is hiring remote associate Gold customer service representatives for Safeco Insurance. Safeco Insurance, a member of Liberty Mutual Group, is an American insurance company. The Gold Service Program contributes to Safeco's position as a leader in the independent agency channel. Through Gold, they provide industry-leading expertise to help their independent agents grow and care for their customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. At the heart of growing their program is their valued employees. Through their paid 10-week training program, you will learn about insurance policies, regulations, servicing, and what it takes to demonstrate the company's quality standards and common purpose. And delighting customers and agents every step of the way. Training hours are from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday through Friday. This includes formal classroom instruction online, assessments, and testing to pass the personal lines licensing exam, which is a requirement for this role. Responsibilities: helps customers in their time of need by building rapport, responding to, and resolving inbound phone calls in a fast-paced call center environment. This is done by identifying and providing services and solutions to their questions regarding renewals, coverage, eligibility, billing, and policy changes. Maintains and tracks accurate data in various computer systems. Qualifications: associate degree in a business-related field or equivalent training required. Minimum of 6 months related work experience required. Customer service experience preferred. Their benefits program includes health savings account, HSA, dental, vision, disability insurance, both short and long-term, life insurance, for you and your family, 401k savings plan with company match, plus other valuable benefits. I will leave the link to this position for Liberty Mutual Insurance in the comments section where you can read more details and apply if you would like to. If this is the first time visiting my channel and you like what you have heard, subscribe. Click the bell so you will be notified of more job openings. Click the thumbs up to like this video. And have a nice day.